List of separable verbs. The verbs with the following prefixes are separable: up, un, auf, aus, bei, ein, los, mit, nach, her, hin, vor, weg, zu, zurück. Once again: up, an, auf, aus, bei, ein, los, mit, nach, her, hin, vor, weg, zu, zurück. So these are the prefixes which are used as separable verbs. In the finite form, these verbs are separated from their prefix, which usually comes at the end of the sentence. Example: Ich stehe an der Kasse an. Stehe, the second part of the separable verb, is conjugated in position 2. The prefix an is at the end of the sentence. Verbs with the following prefixes are inseparable. That is, the words cannot be separated: be, emp, ent, ge, miss, fair, there. Again: be, emp, ent, ge, miss, fair, there. These prefixes remain a permanent part of the verb even in the finite form. For example, ich bestehe die Prüfung. We stress the prefix in separable verbs and the syllable after. Also, a verb could have more than one prefix, each giving a new verb with a different meaning than the others. Here are examples of the many different meanings that a verb common to come has when combined with a prefix. Uncommon, to arrive. Uncommon, to arrive. Mitkommen, to come. Mitkommen, to come or to come along. Weiterkommen, to get on. Weiterkommen, to get on. Hereinkommen, to come in. Hereinkommen, to come in. Herauskommen, to come out. Herauskommen, to come out. Nachkommen, to come later. Nachkommen, to come later. Zurückkommen, to come back. Zurückkommen, to come back. As already mentioned, when a verb with a separable prefix is conjugated in the present tense, the separable prefix is detached from it. The prefix is moved to the end of its clause. Notice the position of the separable prefix in the following examples. The verb anrufen. Herr Sharma ruft seine Frau an. Herr Sharma ruft seine Frau an. Mr. Sharma called up his wife. So Herr Sharma is a single person, so it becomes he or er. The conjugation of er ends with t. So rufen, when conjugated for er, becomes roofed. Roofed is conjugated and placed in second position, and an, the prefix, is going at the end of the sentence. So it literally means Mr. Sharma is calling his wife. Ausgehen. So gehen is conjugated in position 2 with ish and then aus at the end of the sentence. Ich gehe mit meinen Freunden jeden Tag aus. Ich gehe mit meinen Freunden jeden Tag aus, which means I go out with my friends every day. The next verb, einkaufen. Kaufen is conjugated and placed in position 2 and ein at the end. Priya kauft im Supermarkt ein. Priya kauft im Supermarkt ein. Priya is shopping in the supermarket. Important separable verbs. Separable verbs are quite frequent in German. Here are some of the most important ones. Abfahren. Abfahren. To depart. Abholen. Abholen. To pick up. Abwaschen. Abwaschen. To do the washing up. Anfangen. Anfangen. To start. Ankommen. Ankommen. To arrive. Anrufen. Anrufen. To phone. Aufhören. Aufhören. To stop. Aufräumen. Aufräumen. To tidy up. Aufstehen. Aufstehen. To get up. Ausgehen. Ausgehen. To go out. Einkaufen. Einkaufen. To go shopping. Einladen. Einladen. To invite. Einschlafen. Einschlafen. To fall asleep. Fernsehen. Fernsehen. To watch television. Sauber machen. Sauber machen. To clean. Stattfinden. Stattfinden. To take place. Vorbereiten. Vorbereiten. To prepare. Sich vorstellen. Sich vorstellen. To introduce oneself. Let us now look at some inseparable prefixes. These are also prefixes which are inseparable, and they include be, ge und fair. Frequently used verbs with inseparable prefixes are bezahlen, to pay, bezahlen, erzählen, erzählen, to tell or explain, verdienen, verdienen, to earn, verkaufen, verkaufen, to sell, and verstehen, verstehen, to understand. Some examples. Bezahlt mit seiner Kreditkarte. He pays with his credit card. Sie verkauft ihren alten Computer. She is selling her old computer. As you can see, these prefixes do not separate from the verb. I am conjugating two verbs as an example. You can try the remaining verbs given in the list for practice.